Good evening, everyone. I'm Leon, team leader of the project HelloCity AI. Today, my team and I are glad to be here to introduce the HelloCity AI and share our vision for empowering immigrants and travelers with AI-driven planner. So here is a glance at today's agenda. In the next 15 minutes, we will walk you through 5 key areas. First, we will start by defining the problem we solve and the value we bring to newcomers in the city. Second, meet the people behind the HelloCity. Then we will outline our roadmap and the core capabilities we are building. After this, there will be a deep dive into our data structure, tech stacks, and UI. Finally, we will explain our sprint-based process and the tool chains we use that keep us responsive. So let's get started. I guess most of us here have experienced the moment of arriving in a new country, especially if you plan to stay long-term. You don't know where to live, what documents to do first, or even where to find the right information. It feels like everything is new and confusing, not just the language, but all the things you need to deal with to start your life there. And that's why we'd like to create HelloCity AI. We want to create an agent that generates a complete relocation and a travel plan in just 60 seconds. This is tailored for international students, immigrants, and long-term travelers. So you can land in your new city with confidence and peace of mind. Next, I will pass it to my team to present the project members and walk you through how we will bring this concept to life.
Here's how we are organized. Peter Hall is our tutor, mentoring us and ensuring we are producing high-quality code. At current stage, our team consists entirely of developers. Since we don't have any BA or UI role, we collectively handle the full project conception and design. Everyone serves as both developer and designer. We thrive in a collaborative and communicative environment. Each member is dynamic and proactive, ready to take on challenges and contribute their best toward clean and maintainable code. Now let's dive into our project plan.
Okay, to bring our vision to life in a structured way, we have organized our features into 3 tiers: basic, enhanced, advanced. In the basic version, we focus on helping users getting started. It includes an all-in-one AI chatbot for answering questions, of course, user accounts, multi-language support, a simple registration page, database setup, and auto-generated checklist and timelines. In the enhanced version, we add more helpful tools. Users can export files to PDF, use Stripe to make payments, and access new features like material tracking, area recommendations, and map display. The advanced version includes future ideas. This may not be a part of the first release, but we plan to include functions like support for more countries, an admin panel to improve the chatbot answer, and file parsing with AI tools to read documents or images. In summary, we want to build a smart assistant that helps international users quickly adapt to a new city, whether it's for school, travel, or work. We aim to make their journey smoother, easier, and more informed.
All right. We've designed a simple and straightforward user flow to provide a smooth and supportive experience for users. We start with the landing page, where users receive a brief welcome, select their preferred language, and get a quick introduction to the value of our products that can offer. Next is the onboarding phase. Users create an account here, subscribe updates or reminders, and can access our info center for any assistance during the setup. After that, it is now where the core functionality happens. Users generate a personalized AI-powered checklist, engage in interactive conversation for guidance, and manage their tasks with ongoing checklist support. This structured flow ensures our web to provide the best support to users and feel confident to plan and execute their new journey efficiently.
Now that you've seen the end-to-end user journey for HelloCity AI, let's take a look at the core features. First, we will build an AI chatbot interface that enables users to ask AI for a landing plan, and the AI will automatically ask follow-up questions when information is missing. And since our product targets the user around the world, we will also include an instant language switch that lets users easily change the interface language. And once all information is collected, a tailor-made checklist with prioritized tasks and a timeline will be generated, covering visa, insurance, housing, and beyond. So users always know what to do next and when. Users can also generate a shareable link for families and advisors, or download a PDF file for offline use. Our goal is to make it easy to keep the plan at their fingertips.
Hello, I'm going to introduce the data models and structures of our project at early stage. At the center is the user model, which stores key user info like email, nationality, university, and preferred language. We've prioritized features that support onboarding and engagement. For example, the chat session and conversation tables work together to support the AI assistant. Each session represents a chat topic, while each conversation stores one round of Q&A, allowing us to efficiently track and organize user interactions. Another key feature is checklist item, which helps international students and travelers track key tasks like getting a SIM card or setting up a bank account. It's user-specific and can be marked as completed. We've also included the membership table to support premium plans and set up role and user role models for future admin and access control features. Right now, these are placeholders for future development once our core features are stable. Instead of building country and visa guide tables, we plan to fetch this info from APIs using AI when needed, making the system more flexible and efficient. In overall, our design at this stage is lightweight, focused on user interaction and onboarding, and ready for future expansion.
And then, regarding our tech stacks, front-end runs on Next.js 14, delivering lightning-fast rental searches with React 18. TypeScript ensures bug-free code, while Tailwind and MUI dual design system create stunning UIs. Linguin enables real-time language switching, and our quality fortress, Surprise, Jest, and Storybook for end-to-end testing. Backend runs on .NET 8. Its cross-platform power lets developers work freely on Windows, Linux, and macOS, leveraging massive library for repeat feature development, with automatic memory management ensuring crash-free transaction. Python powers smart recommendations algorithm with OpenAI integrations as virtual assistants. PostgreSQL guarantees transaction integrity, and the cloud and security Auth0 enables one-click secure logins. AWS hosts global traffic spikes, and full CI/CD automation supports our core mission, lifestyle services. And final, the Docker achieves a 3 times faster development cycles.
Here are the design concepts behind our project, adopting a modern aesthetic centered on enhancing user experience and streamlining workflow efficiency. Our team utilizes MUI providers to configure and standardize UI components across the application, contributing directly to this goal by offering a robust set of pre-built, responsive components that accelerate development while maintaining visual and functional consistency. This approach embodies our core philosophy to deliver a consistent, accessible, and intuitive interface that empowers users to facilitate seamless interactions throughout the platform. Complementing this, we integrate Storybook into our development workflow to rigorously document and test each UI component. This ensures consistent behavior, improves collaboration among team members, and reinforces alignment with the project's design system. As demonstrated on the storyboard sample page, elements like typography, color palettes, and button styles are predefined, enabling a smoother development process and contributing to a more cohesive and enjoyable user experience.
Now let's dive into our Agile workflow and see how it benefits the project.
To begin with, Agile helps business respond quickly to changes so we can deliver what customers need faster. What's more, it improves teamwork, making it easier for every group member to work together and share ideas. Agile also encourages collaboration with other departments like business analysis and DevOps, so the whole project moves in the same direction. The structure of the single sprint is quite simple. Start with backlog and plan, then build, test, and release, and finally review and retro. And then we start next sprint again, so we can improve our project step by step. Agile is all about being flexible, working together, and delivering value quickly.
To support Agile workflow, we have a complete toolchain. We begin by breaking down tasks into Jira tickets, which allowed each team member to take ownership of specific features based on their skills. Alongside that, we use Notion as our team's knowledge hub, not just for sprint planning, but also to capturing design ideas, document decisions, and keep everyone aligned throughout the project. For daily communication, we rely on Slack, and we hold stand-up meetings 4 times a week on Gather, along with sprint reviews at the end of each sprint. This toolset makes Agile not just a methodology, but a real practice, enabling fast iteration, effective collaboration, and communication improvement across the whole team. That concludes my part, and this is the end of our presentation today. Thank you for listening. We have also prepared a live photo showcase to our current progress.
Yeah, we've prepared a live demo, and Paul, can you share the screen? I will stop the sharing.
Okay. Yeah, so can you guys see? So here's a brief intro to our website, and the main purpose today is to demonstrate basic CRUD methods like get and post. So here we have a simple sign-up component created for demonstration purposes. So later we will shift to Auth0 for future interactions. And so we just put in a unique username and an email. And then as well as just password and confirm passwords that match each other. Then we can select this required box, and then all the rest is optional, so we'll skip it today. And then for the inspect, we'll just see that, oh yeah, put this in again. So when I press the button, it generates a new network request. And then in the console, we can see the form that we sent out with my username, email, and some of the password. And then for demonstrate processes, we just have the new MySQL UID that's returned from the backend. And then we also have a profile that's under the banner because right now our profile page is unmade. So the user ID returned before has been used in a get method to return the information we have on the user. Some of the stuff we have is empty because that was left for Auth0 to implement. Okay. That's the end of the demo we have today. Thank you for watching.